When I see you up close.
So many of you have been asking, is the new Sukin hydration range for me? And how do I use it? Our new hydrating range has been created to naturally quench dehydrated and flaky skin. The range is formulated with our incredible new biomarine blend of naturally derived ingredients, maize complex, hyaluronic acid and sea algae to deliver 72 hours of hydration naturally. So, how to tell if your skin is dehydrated? You can do a simple pinch test at home to determine your skin's hydration levels. Take a small portion of your skin around the cheek area and squeeze lightly. If you notice any wrinkles or lines, or if the skin doesn't bounce back after you let go, then your skin may be dehydrated. Dehydrated skin is often mistaken with dry skin. However, any skin type can be dehydrated, even oily skin, as it simply means your skin is lacking water, whereas dry skin means your skin is lacking oil. If your skin could do with more hydration, our new hydrating range is here to help. There are 5 products in our new hydration range, and for best results, we suggest to incorporate all 5 products in your skincare routine. In the morning after cleansing, gently apply the Hydra Eye Gel to the clean, dry area around your eye. Then apply 1 pump of the Biomarine Facial Serum on your face, neck and décolletage. Gently press and pat into skin and allow 1 minute for absorption. To finish off, apply the Rehydrating Gel Cream. Gently press and pat 1 pump of the gel cream into skin and wait for 1 minute until it's fully absorbed before applying your next product layer. And remember this simple application rule: 1 pump of the product, 1 minute to absorb. Then at night, follow the same routine, just swap out the day cream with the Hydrofusion night cream. For an extra hydration boost, add the deeply hydrating biodegradable sheet mask to your skincare routine once or twice a week. It's packed with our Biomarine Blend serum and will give you an instant pick-me-up. We hope this has been helpful. For more information on our new hydration range, head to our Sukin journal at sukinnaturals.com.au.